A hint to the release of Apple iPhone SE 2? In early 2019, Apple itself hinted at the possible release of the iPhone SE 2 in the future. The company suddenly relaunched sales of iPhone SE in the US. The original 4-inch smartphone has not been sold there for a long time. The iPhone SE stocks for sale were instantly sold out, less than 3 hours later. Analysts felt that in this way Apple probably was testing the current demand for the compact iPhone SE. The company definitely knows that in developing countries, the iPhone SE is extremely popular, but it may have questions about the demand for a model in the US. This testing, conducted in January 2019, helped Apple understand that the iPhone SE 2 is also expected in the US. Design. There are three main assumptions about the design of the iPhone SE 2. According to the first, it is expected that the iPhone SE 2 will be a copy of the iPhone 7, of course, except for the size, just like the iPhone SE is outwardly indistinguishable from the iPhone 5s. Some experts have suggested that Apple intends to release new 4-inch smartphones in the future, based on fresh flagship models. iPhone SE 2, release date, review, price, features, and photos. According to the second, the iPhone SE will be simpler and will be the external copy of the iPhone 6. However, considering that the iPhone 6 and iPhone 7 as a whole have a similar design, these versions are not very different. The third assumption is considered the most likely. iPhone SE may second be an improved version of the original iPhone SE technically. This means that the smartphone will get the same design, but improved performance. Most analysts are inclined to this version, because, according to them, Apple does not have the time and resources to release a full-fledged updated compact iPhone. It is important to note that in relation to the appearance of the iPhone SE there were no leaks from the number of reliable, coming from reputable insiders and analysts. This may be due either to the fact that the iPhone SE 2 is in Apple's long-term plans, or to the fact that the company keeps the development of the smartphone under the strictest secret.